You've had $1,000 sitting there for months, still researching the right stock, still not investing it. Here's the truth. Your first $1,000 barely moves the outcome. It's not a wealth building amount, it's a habit building one. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people get stuck before they even start. Here's the thing. The paralysis isn't really about the money. It's about treating a small decision like it's a huge one. You don't need the perfect pick. A simple, low-cost index fund does the job. It's not exciting. It's not supposed to be. It's just quietly effective year after year. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I choose wrong? Here's what most people miss. At this amount, almost any reasonable option lands in roughly the same place over time. What actually matters is starting now and staying consistent after, not picking the flawless option 6 months from now. Nobody looks back and regrets which fund they started with. People regret the 6 months they spent deciding. So here's your one step. Open the account or make the transfer this week. Not after more research, this week. This content is for educational purposes only and is not personalized financial advice. Subscribe to Savvy Investor for more videos on money, investing, and long-term wealth.